Hello, my dear children. I hope you all are doing well and staying safe. This is Mathematics Primary 2, third midterm content, Chapter 13, Maths, page 161 to 176. Objectives of the presentation are estimate, measure and compare masses in grams and kilograms. Use appropriate measuring units and types of measuring instruments to measure or compare mass. Content: mass in gram, mass in kilogram, comparing masses. We can measure the mass of an object using a weighing scale. There are different types of scales. You can see three types of scales here. Have you seen this type of scales earlier? We can measure the masses of objects in grams. We can write gram as simple G. We usually use gram to measure light objects. For example, a pencil, a paperclip, an eraser. There are different types of masses, such as 1 gram, 10 gram. Let's measure the mass of an object. On the left side of the scale, I keep a pencil and I keep a mass of 1 gram on the other side to balance the scale. Now you can see the scale is balanced. So the pencil is as heavy as 1 gram. We say that its mass is 1 gram. Let's measure the mass of some objects. Example lay. On the left side of the scale, I keep a book. To find the mass of the book, other side, I am going to keep mass of 10 gram. Can you see it is balanced? No, we need to add some more. So I add some more masses. Now you can see the scale is balanced. So we say mass of the book is 12 gram. Example B. Look at the scale. Can you tell me the mass of the ruler? Observe it carefully and tell me the answer. Yes, the mass of the ruler is 5 gram. Now we are going to measure the masses of objects in grams using another kind of a weighing scale. Here, each long marking on the scale stands for 20 gram. Each short marking on the scale stands for 5 gram. Now you can see there's a ball on the scale. So, what is the mass of the ball? Look at the scale carefully. Can you see a red pointer in the scale? Where is it? Yes, it is at 60. So, the mass of the ball is 60 gram. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with the masses of each object. In the first example, you can see a teddy bear on the scale and the red pointer is at 80. So, the mass of the teddy bear is 80 gram. In the second example, shall we measure the mass of the toy car? Look at the scale and tell me the answer. Yes, you are correct. The red pointer is at 90. So, the mass of the toy car is 90 gram. Mass in kilograms. We can measure the masses of objects in kilograms also. We can write kilogram as simple kg. We usually use kilograms to measure heavy objects. For example, packet of sugar, packet of milk powder. We can use mass of 1 kilogram to measure heavy objects. Let's measure the mass of a packet of milk powder. As we did earlier, one side I keep a packet of milk powder and the other side I keep mass of 1 kilogram. So you can see the scale is balanced. Therefore, we say that its mass is 1 kilogram. Now look at the scale. Let's measure the mass of a school bag. So like earlier, I keep the bag on the left side. Other side, I am going to put some masses. Now I put 1 kilogram. But the scale is not balanced. Then shall we add some more? So I put another 1 kilogram. Wow, the scale is balanced. So we can tell the mass of the school bag is 2 kilogram. We can measure the masses of objects in kilograms using another kind of weighing scale. Now look at the scale. Maybe you have seen this type of scale earlier. Can you see there are numbers in red color? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So using this scale, we can find masses up to 5 kilogram. Here on the scale, I keep a packet of sugar. Now look at the needle. The needle is pointing at 3. So the mass of the packet of sugar is 3 kilogram. Look at this scale. We can see a beautiful flower vase on the scale. Tell me, where is the needle? Yes, the needle is pointing to 4. So the mass of the flower vase is 4 kilogram. There's a cake on the scale. Now I am going to ask a question from you. Is the mass of the cake more than, less than or about 1 kilogram? Is the mass of the cake more than, less than or about 1 kilogram? Now look at the scale carefully. The needle is between 0 and 1 kilogram. It means the cake is lighter than 1 kilogram. So the mass of the cake is less than 1 kilogram. Less than 1 kilogram. Now we'll do an activity. Fill in the blanks with more than, less than or about. Out of these answers, we need to select the correct one. Example A. There's a bottle on the scale. The question is, the mass of the bottle is blank 1 kilogram. The mass of the bottle is blank 1 kilogram. So you can see the needle is pointing at 2 kilogram. So the mass of the bottle is more than 1 kilogram. Answer is more than. Example 2. There's a pot on the scale. The question is, mass of the pot is blank 4 kilogram. Look at the scale. The needle is pointing at 4. So the mass of the pot is about 4 kilogram. Answer is about. Comparing masses. Let's compare the masses of objects in grams. There are 3 scales. Look at these scales. The ball is 60 gram. The muffin is 20 gram. The doll is 50 gram. First we will find the difference between ball and the doll. Now you know ball is 60 gram, doll is 50 gram. 60 gram minus 50 gram equals 10 gram. So we can tell the ball is 10 gram heavier than the doll. The ball is 10 gram heavier than the doll. Then we'll find the difference between doll and the muffin. You know doll is 50 gram, muffin is 20 gram. 50 gram minus 20 gram equals 30 gram. So the muffin is 30 gram lighter than the doll. The muffin is 30 gram lighter than the doll. Now we can arrange these objects in order from heaviest to the lightest. Ball, doll, muffin. The heaviest object is ball. The lightest object is muffin. Shall we do an activity? Look at these pictures and give me answers. The mass of the mango is? Yes, 90 gram. The mass of the banana is? 60 gram. The mass of the mangosteen is 8 gram. The heaviest fruit is mango. The lightest fruit is banana. I hope you understood this lesson. Do the maths workbook activities as I have taught you. These are the page numbers. You can make your own scale at your home by getting your parents' support and enjoy the lesson. Thank you.